Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about the topic earned value analysis. Friend, today's topic is very important. Is very important with respect to exam point of view. Friend, if you are studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so friend, you will definitely see this topic in the exam. At least 10 to 15 questions will definitely be there in the exam, in which your concept related to earned value will definitely be checked. Especially friend, you also must have to know the formulas to calculate different calculations. So friend, this is very important topic to understand if you want to clear the exam of PMP or you want to clear the exam of project management in university. Secondly friend, if you are a professional project manager, so you know that monitoring and controlling is very important. You must have to know that when to control the project and how to control the project. So as a project manager, as a professional project manager, you must have to know the importance and the concept of earned value analysis to use in your professional life of project management. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Earned value analysis. Friend, first of all, see, the main topic is basically related to project management. Is directly related to project management. All the concept and all the things which we are going to discuss is pertaining to, is revolving around the project management. So first of all, we have to understand what is a project, friend. Friend, as per the definition of PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge, project is a temporary activity which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output or product. That is called as a project. For example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution for a customer and you have to deliver the project within 4 months, so we will say that it's a project. Why? Because it is temporary. It will finish after 4 months and no more resources will be working there, and also it's giving you a unique output or product that is called as e-commerce solution. So that is why we will say it is a project. Remember friend, one thing, that project is always a temporary activity. It can never ever be an ongoing activity. If it is an ongoing activity, it will be an operational work. It cannot be a project if it is an ongoing activity. Okay, now coming towards our main topic, earned value analysis. Friend, earned value analysis, if you just see this term, earned value analysis, earned value means actually what you have earned. Like for example, just take in a simple and general sense, um, a hard worker, or simply the worker who is working on roads, or any car driver or rickshaw driver, for example. So uh, what what we he say actually at the end of the day, like what he has earned at the end of the day, like he earned, for example, 50 dollar or $10, etc. So actually what you have earned, actually friend, just try to understand the concept from earning, like what you have earned at the end of the day. So friend, earned value analysis is simply a comparison of planned value versus the actual value. That is why this is called as earned value. And earned value means that, like something you have planned, okay, and after passage of time you want to analyze that actually what you have earned. Just take an example, like for example, um, you are building, like for example, you are building a house, okay. You are building a house and you assume that you have planned that within 6 months you have to complete the construction of house. Okay, so your target was to complete the construction of house within 6 months. After 3 months you just evaluate the performance, you just evaluate that how much work has been completed. So you notice that only 30% work has been completed. Okay, now see, just try to understand from here. You have planned that 100% work should be completed in 6 months. So that means that 50% work should have to be completed in 3 months. Okay, and when actually you evaluate the performance, that how much work has been completed in actual, so you realize that only the 5% work, only the 30% work has been completed. So that means that you are not going as per the track. Okay, it obviously shows that your work performance, your actual work performance is not as per the track. So you must have to take the corrective actions from here. Why? Because it shows clearly that the work is not going as per the planned work. Similarly, friend, another example I just want to give you, that take the same example of e-commerce solution. You plan that you will complete the e-commerce implementation within 4 months. Okay, it was your planned work that within 4 months you will complete the implementation of e-commerce solution. After 2 months, when once you evaluate the performance of your project, you realize that only the 20% work has been completed. Why? Because the necessary hardware and necessary documentation was not available. So friend, that means that you are behind the schedule. You need a lot to get the project on track. Okay, that shows clearly that you are not on the track and you need more attention, you need the corrective action so that project get on track. Okay, so friend, basically see from here, first of all, try to understand from here what is earned value concept. Earned value basically tells you, it basically compares the planned work versus the actual work. Something you have planned, and in actual at some point of time you just want to check that in actual what happens. In actual, are you behind the schedule, are you ahead in the schedule, are you over budget, are you under budget? So you have to evaluate all those things in the earned value analysis. Okay friend, that is called as the concept of earned value analysis. Earned value means that you compare the planned work versus the actual work, and it gives you insight about the schedule, cost, budget. Okay, so that is called as the concept of earned value analysis. It compares the planned amount of work with what has actually been completed to determine the cost, schedule, and work accomplished are progressing in accordance with the plan. As work is completed, it is considered earned. So the work which actually we have completed, that is called as earned. See friend, here basically we compare the planned value with planned work with the actual work, and we can track, we can see our progress with respect to cost, schedule, work accomplished, etc. And see friend, here now what is the main benefit of analyzing the earned value analysis. Friend, the main benefit of earned value analysis is that basically it gives you insight that what work has actually been completed. And see, the it's giving you, by using some mathematical calculations, it's giving you insight about the work which has been completed. And now if the senior management or the project management team wants to take the corrective action, they can take it ahead. See friend, if there is any mistake in the project, so rather at some later stage or after passage of time, we can take the decision. Rather than, it's better that we take the decision at a very early stage of time. Okay, now if project is going to finish and then we take some action, so it will not be a good decision, because it will not be possible to take the decision at a very later stage. However, if at a very early stage of a work, of a project, you realize that there are some mistakes, there are some problems, so if by through the earned value analysis you get the insight that project is not on track, like for example, you are over budget, you have spent more than the cost which was your budgeted cost. So obviously that means that you have to take the savings at a later stage of a project, so that you can get the project in terms of cost or in terms of schedule, in terms of budget. So friend, basically the most important benefit of earned value analysis is that it gives you insight about the progress of your work, which actually been completed with reference to with comparison of planned work. And the performance means that performance with respect to schedule, cost, budget. These are the basic pillars of a project, so that once you get the progress, once you get the track of comparison, so you know that rather you are ahead in a schedule, rather you are over budget in cost or not. So if whatever the decision, whatever the progress is, you can take the decision, you can take the action accordingly. Okay, so that is why this is important to know the work, the uh, earned value analysis. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time.